Hello friends, welcome back to my session. This is Aryan Vishwakarma and today we are going to learn how to create battery chart, stunning battery chart in Excel sheet. There is no doubt this is going to enhance your dashboard look stunning, beautiful, and you are going to get a wow kind of response from the viewers. Now, before starting the program today, let me request all the new viewers to get subscribed to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you will be getting notification on upload of our new videos. Okay friends, let's start then. So you can see over here we have a battery chart in vertical mode. In other sheet I have created a battery chart in horizontal mode. This looks really great and it's very easy to prepare these both of vertical and horizontal battery charts. So let's start learning them one by one. So you can see over here, when you click on the upward spin button, the score automatically increases. You can see the score over here, this also increases and the battery also started increasing upward. And when you click on the downward spin button, the same thing happens in the reverse way. That means battery starts draining itself in a downward trend and the scores are also going downward, you can see. So here in this vertical graph, you can see the color I have used to fill the battery is green and the other chart I have used blue color. So same way, when you click here the upward spin button, you can see the battery level increases. This is the horizontal battery chart, and when you click on the downward spin button, the battery starts draining itself. That means your quality rating is going down. I have used this for quality rating, but you can use this battery chart for any kind of dashboard performance indicators. So friends, you can see over here in the vertical battery chart, I have used green color to fill and the caps of the top and bottom side both are of grey colors. And the spin button is linked to this cell. Whenever you click on the downward or upward spin button, the cell value automatically changes. Now to create this battery chart, you would require 4 data values which is displayed over here. This upper cap and lower cap, this is basically showing the cap value of the top and bottom caps. And this is quality rating, which is showing the rating score is 56. The next element you would require is remaining. Since this is a battery chart for quality rating, now the total rating could be 100. So remaining would be 100 minus this cell value. So you can see over here in remaining cell, we have put the formula which is basically 100 minus L3. That means whatever quality rating score you are going to get, subtract that from 100 and that will be your remaining score. So you can see over here, whenever we click on the downward or upward spin button, this scores value of quality rating and remaining both changes automatically. So friends, it's very interesting to create this battery chart. Let's now start creating this battery chart in Excel sheet. So let's copy this value from this sheet to another sheet. Control C, go to a fresh sheet and paste the value, that is Control V. Let's set the cells. So we have upper cap value of 5, lower cap value of 5 and quality rating is 0 and remaining would be 100 minus value of the cells. So since this is a battery chart for quality rating, let's type here quality rating. Go to developer, go to insert over here, click on the insert, you will get a drop down menu. Go to this symbol which is a spin button symbol, click on symbol and then place the symbol somewhere in a suitable position. The size you can create as per your convenience. Now our spin button symbol is created. Now we need to link this spin button to some cells. So let's link this spin button to these cells. Let's fill some color over here. Go to fill and let's make this as yellow fill. Right click on the spin button go to format control, and here you can see we have some values to be put. Current value is 0, minimum value. Now for whichever performance rating you want to create this battery chart for, what could be the minimum value for that? Now since we are making this for quality rating, so minimum quality rating could be 0. So we will keep it as 0 level only, and the maximum value of our quality rating could be 100. So let's change this to 100. Now you need to link this spin button to some cells. So since we have already decided, let's link this spin button to this cell. Then click on over here and close it. Click on OK. Now our spin button is linked to this cell, which is B3. Now let's see. Let's put some number over here. Let me put 34. You can see now when we click on the upward spin button, the value automatically goes up. And when we start clicking on the downward spin button, the values goes down. That means our setting is perfect. So friends, now let's proceed further. Now let's select on these values. Go to insert, go to chart area and go to column. If we are going to create a vertical battery chart, then we need to go to column. If we need to create a horizontal battery chart, we need to go to bars. So let's first do a vertical battery chart. So go to column, click on that, you will get a drop down menu. Go to cylinder chart and select the second one, that is tagged cylinder. Click on that and your graph is ready. But now you can see we have all the 4 values are created in separate cylinders. We don't require this, we require everything in one cylinder. So select the chart, go to switch row column area and click on switch row column. Now you can see all the values are now in one cylinder. We don't require this one, delete this one. We don't require grid lines, delete this one and delete all the axes, everything from the chart area. This is done. Let's do some setting. Let's just adjust the battery chart to the needs. Click on the battery now. Now you can see this just looks like a battery, but still some setting needs to be done. Right click on the battery, go to 3D rotation, click on the 3D rotation and you can see some setting needs to be done over here. Now for X, make the setting to 0 and for Y, make the setting to 10 degree. Now go to border color and select on no lines. Now you can see this is somewhat looking like a battery chart, but still some more setting needs to be done. Now let's go back to the data value. Now this quality rating, this needs to be mapped with this quality rating. So go to the formula bar, click is equal to and then select this B3 cell. Press enter. Now you can see the values of these cells are getting reflected in the battery chart. So the quality rating is showing 32% over here in the red and remaining is 68%. Now still some more setting needs to be done. Now select the top cap, go to fill color and make it gray. Repeat the same exercise for the bottom cap also, make it this also gray. Go to this color, green color, select this one, right click on this, go to format data series, make no gap, go to fill, go to solid fill. Here you can see the color is already green. If in your case the color is not selected green, select green color, go to transparency now and set this transparency level to 75%. Then select this red color and go to fill again and make it green. Now do some setting to adjust this to your needs, so that this looks like a battery chart. Now you can see this almost looks like a battery chart. And when you click on over here, the field goes up, and when you click on the lower button, the field goes down. But the data is not getting reflected over here. So click on the green portion, right click on that, go to add data labels and click on that. Now you can see your data is also visible. Select the data, go to font color and select white font. Make it bold and then increase the font size. Let's make it 18. This looks great. Now you can see, friends, your vertical battery chart is ready. And whenever you click on the upward spin button, the field goes up and the score is also changing automatically. And the same thing also happens when you start clicking on the downward spin button. And you can also see that whenever you start clicking on the upward or lower button, the values over here, that is also changing automatically. So you are almost done, friends. If you want to hide these values, you can select the entire cells and then go to font color and select white, so that your data is invisible to others, but you only know that your data is hidden over here. So friends, now let's make a horizontal battery chart, and for that we need to repeat the process again. Select the cells, go to insert, and this time go to bar chart and go to cylinder chart and select the stacked horizontal cylinder charts. Click on that. Now you can see the same way. Now this is a horizontal cylinder chart, but this is again mapping all the sales values in a separate cylinder. So go to switch row column, click on that and repeat the process again. Select the grid lines, delete the grid lines and start deleting everything. This axis also and this legends also. Right click on the cylinder, go to 3D rotation, and here again you need to do some setting for X and Y rotation. Let's make Y 0 this time and X to let's make the X to 15 degree. This is okay. Go to border color and select no line and close it. Select the top cap, go to home, go to fill color and change the top cap color to gray and bottom cap also to gray color. Select this green color, right click on that, go to format data series and let's make this gap to 0, this also 0. Go to fill, go to solid fill and this green color is already there. Change the transparency to 75%. It is the same thing we have done for the vertical battery chart. We are just repeating the process. Now select the quality rating color, that is red. Go to fill and convert this to green color. Now do some setting to this chart so that this looks like a battery. Now you can see your horizontal battery chart is also almost ready. Click on the green color, right click on that, click on add data labels and your data label is also getting reflected. Select the data, go to font color, make it white, make it bold, increase the font size to the suitable size. Let's make it 18. Now friends, you can see your horizontal and vertical battery chart both are ready. So when you start clicking the upward button, you can see both of the batteries are automatically going up, and when you start clicking on the lower button, it is draining out or your score is going down. It's a very interesting chart, friends, and I hope this is going to enhance the looks of your dashboard. So friends, I am very sure you must have enjoyed this session today. Best wishes from my side. This is Aryan Vishwakarma signing off now. Until the next video, take care friends and have a great day ahead.